Yo, it's your girl Ira Star. Keep watching Plug TV Live.
When you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. Fuji, para, para.
Actually an Independence Day without an Independence show. So guys, we're live here at the Laughter on Lockdown Season 2, an Independence Day show. I know so many of you are angry with Nigeria, no doubt. I am one of them. But guys, Nigeria is our home. There is no place we want to push Nigeria to. So this is me saying Happy New Month and Happy Independence Day. So guys, come right with me on this amazing red carpet as I bring to you amazing guests ready to grace this occasion tonight. I mean, it's an Independence Day, an Independence show. Let's go and have fun. As I'm looking forward to see Emmaohmygod, the OMG live band, Kennyblaq, SLK, Aproko to perform right on that stage. But before then, let's go catch some moments on this carpet. It's your girl, it's the NNYPERRY, Anybody right here on Plug TV. Do not touch that down. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're still live here at the Laughter on Lockdown, the Independence show. And right here with me is the Fuji crew, Natalie Bian. What's going on, bro?
I'm doing very, very
How are
fine.
you? What's good?
I'm good, I'm fine.
Now that you didn't get to perform your Fuji right on the stage, can you do it for us right here?
No problem. So a very quick one. You can call me Tolibian. Comedian where I sing song. When you want me, I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. Fuji, para, para.
I swear this song is actually breaking marks on TikTok. If you're very used to the social media, you know what I'm talking about. So I was actually looking forward to see you perform that song right on the stage. But it's fine, it's okay. So now let's talk about the show. How do you feel to be on the stage? Is this your first time being on this kind of stage?
No, I actually do stand-up comedy back then in Kwara State show. This is not my first time.
Okay. Alright, so tell me, how do you feel about your country, Nigeria?
God will bless every citizen of Nigeria and God will keep guiding us to the straight path. That's all I'm going to say. Because if we start talking about Nigeria, see, it's I don't know, it has different episodes. So Ilema, Shilema, Moti, done, we keep talking.
So please, I beg of you, it's Independence Day, let's clap for our dear country, please. Nigeria is the most unique country in the world. Very unique. Oga, see, I don't want to know what you do. Take my picture, I don't go find them. I think they don't laugh, man, show them for outside, come. Hey, man, all these photographers, very wicked people. I don't go one show for Ibadan. I just say the guy is snapping. I don't know, say that my shadow. I don't perform finish. After show, I say my picture, now only here. No face. So I beg, man, know what they do. See you. Now architecture you do. Now what they do. Don't have a passion. So I beg, man, see my picture. Man, know what they do. I beg you, please.
Okay guys, we're still live here at the Laughter on Lockdown Season 2 right here at Landmark, Lagos. And with me here is Motunde. Yes, if you very conversant with social media, I mean comedy skits, Mr. Macaroni, freaky, this is Mr. Macaroni's daughter Motunde. What's going on? I hope you brought husband this time.
I came here to look for husband.
Okay, she said she's here to look for husband. Hopefully, you're lucky enough. Alright, so Motunde, tell me, how do you feel to be here tonight? What's up?
I'm kind of like expecting a lot. I mean, I'm happy to be here, obviously. So I'm expecting a lot. I'm hoping to have fun and laugh and go back with some jokes, you know.
I just want to let on know say Nigeria don't reach 61 years now.
Yes, yes.
And I know say some of us they happy, plenty of us they happy say the country done dey mature, don reach 61. And you know say you get the kind age where you go reach, where somebody no go fit dey advise you again. Another age na Nigeria dey now. So we go stop to dey try to dey change the country by ourselves. The country don mature, the Nigeria now na adult. So the country don grow enough to know wetin be good and bad. So we wanna allow the country choose the life we want live by itself. Na adult now. No, because the things wey dey happen now, the world dey serious, dey go now. Every time seriousness. If you notice, our parents, dem bin tell us say their own parents tell them say the play wey dem dey play for their time as children, say e no reach the one wey dem play. And if you remember, our parents dey also dey tell us say the play wey we play when we were small, say e no reach the one wey dem dey play when dem dey our age. And I know say when we sef go old, we go begin dey tell our children too say the play wey dem dey play e no sweet reach the one wey we will dey play for our time. And I know say dem sef go tell their own children too say the play wey dem dey play no sweet reach the one wey dem dey play now. Those other children sef go tell their own children to say the play wey dem dey play no sweet reach the one wey. Na so all of us go dey talk say our play na sweet pass until this one go come serious. That time nobody go dey play again. That time once you born pikin, the pikin go come out with all seriousness. You go see pikin go big, old, die, no laugh one day. Everybody serious. That time sometimes you go just born pikin go come out with suit and tie. You already choose profession from belle wey you want to go come out like that. That time the world go dey serious. No be all this why people they go to scam now. You go to scam, they go to tell you say na boy or girl, now you get. That time if you go to scam, doctor will look your belly, will tell you, madam, you have a lawyer. We'll go to another doctor, will look, will tell you, madam, congratulations, you have my colleague, you have a doctor. Like that, it is sweet. That time you go see some people go to scan, you go see the picking, go they peep, they hide, go peep, hide, go they sneak for the bed. The doctor will come look and say, madam, this one go thief, thief you one. And the thing go dey sweet now. You know say e get some play the way we play. One will be this small, why they miss well. You get one why they miss well, and that one I know say all of us here when they are plenty of us we play that play. Yeah, I did miss that one when I be that mama and papa play. That mama and papa play. That play was my best play when I small. And why I like that play well because na me they always be the papa. I mean they always they be the papa because all the girls they went there our area at that time, all of them fine.
How many are we now?
No be saying that because of that one that they be the papa, but I just sabi play the role. So then they keep me there well that time. At that time that play they sweet now. Another reason why I enjoy that play. So that play, what they tell on that mama and papa play. Another reason why I love that play well. Now because for our compound, we always play the play. We need to play for another person compound. Now always our compound. So let me they put the rules so we will use for the game. That the thing is sweet well. Why we stop to play for another person compound? Now after then catch me and one girl one time like that. After they flog us finish, the thing affects me well. So I don't promise myself, say from today, this play, I don't go ever play again for another person compound. It will always be for our compound. And so that's why I decided to do the thing that time. But that time, life be the sweet that time.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the Laughter on Lockdown, an independent show, season 2. And of course, with me right here is SLK with his, should I say, Yoruba Demon?
No, Yoruba Angel. He's white now. Come on, he's white. What's up?
I'm alright.
Kilo Shele. Let me leave this, please.
Are you acting like Awolowo?
Yeah, Awolowo. A mix of Awolowo and a dash of Obasanjo.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, just.
Okay, so SLK, tell me, is it worth saying Happy Independence Day to Nigeria, or we just keep our mouth shut?
Of course, yeah. Independence is supposed to be a good thing. So I mean, happy independence. Like it was like for the essence of what independence represents. Happy independence. The fact that we're a country and we're a country, like a republic. Yeah, happy independence.
Okay.
But the content of the country, we need to work. You know, when somebody does not want to spend money on his birthday, there's something he says. Say, Alpha, are we going to do party on your birthday? You say no, it's reflective. So I think this is what it is for us. Reflective moments.
Okay.
Let's reflect. Introspection. Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, guys, as you can see for yourself that it is becoming so lit tonight, and I can't help but to go bring the host for this great show tonight, and XBBN housemate Seyi and Awolowo. What's going on?
It's going good out here. You don't know.
Okay, so tell me, do you want me to wish you happy new month or
Happy New Month. Happy New Month. Happy New Month.
Do you have to call me?
Happy New Month.
Okay.
Yes. Happy New Month to you.
Same to you?
Yeah. Happy New Month.
Alright, so Seyi, tell me, do you still have hope for this country?
Of course. If not, I won't be here. Right, I'm here because I know that I can still work. We are the solution. We're not going to take ourselves out all the solutions away from the problem. Instead, we will infuse ourselves into the problem and become the solutions that we are craving. That's what it is.
Show me some love, get up, everybody, show me some love. Let's do this. Say it. Let's go. Ready to find that butterfly. Say it. I can't let you from princess just testify. Alright guys, I love what I do. Love has got me at the time. Say I told you the reason I mean I love at first sight. Listen, you don't really understand what you get to this man. Your love will take control of me, no. I don't wanna understand, but I wanna be your man. And I want you to have my kids, just everybody now, let me hear you say, if you be my lover, I can kiss the one above ya, take you all around the globe, round the globe. My mind was it's your loving, rush on to worry who his beauty comes along with time. But you don't really understand what you did to this man. Your love has got a hold on me. Oh baby, won't you take my hands, take a trip to the promise. Girl, I want you to have my kids, 'cause you make my heart be skipping. Everybody go. This is what you do, my baby. I told you I need you, gotta have you, love you, baby, please be mine. Wine for life, the stars are on the side. When you pass me by, in the rhythm of you make me go. Oh baby, you know what I know. This is what you do, my baby. Say, I think, baby, I love you. Girl, there's nothing I would do to prove my love is real. 'Cause you said I love you, baby girl. Hey. Everybody ready? Let's do this together. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Everybody say, only what I mean. Let's go. No. Doom, 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 doom. Remember this one? Remember this one? Let's go. You're never going to be good at it. Let's go. Listen. See, there be two, better the country. They run things together, live in peace and harmony. Then suddenly, the tree is happy. One goes solo, the other two follow. Oh, no. The world they takes right now. Say the tree, they do their things individually. But remember someday, they will leave each other. Pass through the dawn of day. Alright, let's go. In case you don't know, it's set. See, the next misunderstanding going within us. If we break up, got to wake up. See, I was so bad. Cause my mama once told me, my son, you're on your own. You have everybody hands in the air. Somebody's going this. Say, you don't be dreaming or you won't say hi. Don't be to carry on. My life say, I don't be to keep on strong. Say, I will say, you can't be one, don't be free, say hi. Don't want me to stand alone. My life say, I don't make a whole I know. Yeah, you all I know. Say, jump. No. See, no one, no lily, no one. Sing it, say, no, no lily, no kind. Verse 2, you know, listen. Say it's a small world where many things they happen. I put on your chest today, be picture you tomorrow. So be careful, this life is full of sorrow. Watch the company you keep and the friends you follow. Because upon your mama to make good man. Say, again, upon your mama to make good man. Say, nothing stays the same as you lay your head. And so you go lie on top. And in case you don't know me, this not true story. There's a little misunderstanding going between us. If we break up, not to wake up. See, I was so bad. But my mama was told me, my son, you're on your own. You have the mama and you go. You say you go into your own, say I'm keeping it strong. Tell them, say, say, I like them, they like you say, you know only one of the trees say I no go fit to stand alone. I say I no go make them on my own. I lie you over the road.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the Laughter Lockdown, an independent show, season 2. And right here with me is the crew now. What's going on, bro?
I'm good. What's going on? How you doing?
I'm alright. How you doing now? Give me a smiling face. I don't like that.
I've done it already, so it's fine. It's okay.
Alright, so tell me, how do you feel performing on that stage tonight?
I feel wonderful. I appreciate the people that came out tonight. I mean, there was love everywhere, so they made my day. I didn't make their day. I made my day. Thank you.
They made your day,
Yes.
right? And I could see that they were giving you a good, positive feedback. I mean, the energy was really, 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 really nice. That you had to leave the stage to join the audience. All right, now tell me, should I wish you Happy New Month or Happy Independence Day?
Both of them. Both of them. It's beautiful.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the Laughter on Lockdown, season 2, the independent show. And with me here is one of the contestants of The Voice Nigeria, Naomi. Actually, Mrs. Naomi. What's going on?
I'm good.
How you doing?
I'm great.
So tell me what it feels like after leaving after the Voice Nigeria and you didn't get to win. I was a little bit disappointed actually, but
don't be.
So tell me,
Well,
how did fame been?
Well, it's been really amazing.
Yeah.
I won't lie. You can see my face. I'm breaking out from stress. Like it's been work back to back.
Yeah.
And I'm so super grateful.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me, should I wish you Happy New Month or Happy Independence?
Both, please.
Okay. All right. So, what are your hopes for Nigeria? Do you still have hope for this country, Nigeria?
I still have hope, because where there's life, there is hope, and we're still alive, so there's still hope.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are happy, you are alive with everything Nigeria, Corona has thrown at you, you are still here and shining, make some noise! And if you know that no matter how things get hard, even if $1 is 2,000 naira, you will always thrive. Make some noise! You know, it's crazy. Today's Independence Day. We say happy independence Nigeria. But the thing is, the happy before the independence, the happiness itself is dependent. Do you understand? But no matter what, we are here for a good time and a long time. We keep having good times forever. Way on with you, let's go. Oh no no. Move the bass guitar, like the bass guitar now. When you're for me, do me, la mi la, do re fa so re so ti. Everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. No matter how it is, everything will be solved for you. See, no matter what thing they happen, no, we dey always dey battle. We na no matter what thing they happen, no, we dey always dey battle. We got for everybody, tell one Emmaohmygod, I need you to show your gratitude to Almighty Baba. Sorry, people didn't lie, wow, but who I get out, see the thinking once. People didn't lie, do not fail. Oh, she too money, don't tell. You see the love of me, I say you did me, I mean, I did me. See the life is so wild, I don't go too far. I want to know, yeah. Everybody listen, what's the problem? Oh Lord, I testify you are good.
Oh yes, guys, I'm really having an amazing time right here at the Laughter on Lockdown and Independence Day show season 2, and I'm super excited to have the whole MD boss with me. Good evening.
Good evening, how you doing?
I'm very well. See, guys, you know, oh my God, it's amazing I'm sweating like this because I really danced myself out tonight.
I appreciate that. Like, I was feeding from your energy, you know. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel on stage tonight?
I felt so great. You know, you approached me earlier, and I told you like I was not really in a good mood. But you see, my mood has changed and everything. That's why I appreciate this gift. You know, every time we do this, like we, and for people like you too, that because it's a thing to really perform and it's a thing for people to just be looking at you. But when we have people like you shouting and dancing, we feel good, you know, and the energy is back and forth. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the Laughter on Lockdown and Independence show right here at Landmark Lagos, and with me here is Kennyblaq. Give it up for Awolowo, Kennyblaq. What's going on?
It's plenty. How's it going?
What's good, bro?
I'm good.
Okay, so tell me, should I tell you, should I wish you an happy new month, or I should say happy independence? Which will you pick?
Happy birthday in area.
I want to say Pemba boy.
Oh yeah, it's
So
plenty.
happy birthday to us.
Happy birthday to us. And happy birthday to Nigeria.
Yes.
If you love somebody, walk up to them and tell them you love them. Because no crime, no at all. So one day I see this baby for lockdown party. She dey look me and dey look am, she dey look me and dey look am. So I walked up to her myself, I said, fine girl, I just want to dance with you, baby. Oh my God, we okay. If your boyfriend come to my me, anything you want to ask me, even if it's, he said, Kennyblaq, excuse me. I said, what do you mean? He said, Kennyblaq, please. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, boy, my blues are redeemed now. He said, Kennyblaq, excuse me. I'm feeling vibes so bad. I know you're dynamite. See, Kenny, you know fit kill my vibe. I say what? He said, Kennyblaq. Away. She said, take all your trouble away. I say, fine girl, why you dey insult me? He said, Kennyblaq, I know your time. He said, boys are bad, jokes are bad. Oh my God, they want to knock. I say, fine girl, look at you. I'm not that type of guy. Look at me, many things I could do for you. If you let me do what I do for you, Farabale. I'm a sort of Tobadola. I say, yippee yeah. Keep it on the low, my safara. You guys say, do you have money? I said, no, look at you. I'm a big LOC. I got my pictures out in Georgia. I got my way from California. I got my letters from the Celsius. I say, fine girl, come down, look at me very well. See, you no need to the girl. You no need to the phone. And you only need to let me know. He said, Kennyblaq, give me your number. I will think about it. If I like you, I will call you. If I like you, I will call you. Ladies and gentlemen, and so I give her my number. 444. I say you fit to do anything with the number. Ladies and gentlemen, he say, Kennyblaq, let's dance. I say I don't sabi dance, but I get one dance where I sabi dance. He say, Kennyblaq, what with the dance? Where I sabi dance? I say very simple, fine girl, just bounce your body away. I'm a baby, I know be shy. Baby girl, I know be shy. The girl say, Kennyblaq, I stay in a jar. When you stay in a together, can you come to my house? If I say when you come over, I say fine girl, don't worry, I go come. In fact, very simple, just big it. Tell me what is the time and place. No holiday for your case. I know they drive Benz, but I go drive kilometers. I swear I go drive. See, 3 days she don't call me. 4 months she don't call me. After 2 years she don't come. He say, Kennyblaq, I'm the girl from the club. I say, fine girl, hello, how you doing, my angel? The only one that I miss. He say, Kennyblaq, shh. I say what? He say, Kennyblaq, where you at? What you do? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in my room. I look too good to be alone. See, my house clean, my pool warm. I just feel smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing and kissing and romancing. I bet you don't want, but I say, fine girl, just send me the location and I'll be right there. And I come see you, my baby. No time. See, when I reach her house, if you see front, if you see back, I don't go lie. This girl, see, she get front, she get back. She gets sense, she comes up big cook. Normally she be wife material. She say, Kennyblaq, I really like you. Hey, I begin to pray in tongues. I say, Jesus, this not temptation with a little confusion. I say, but I love you. Say, Kennyblaq, are you sure? I say, yes. She say, Kennyblaq, do you really like me? I'm not in love with your life, but you're looking for a girl that you want to define. I say, see, if you want me to change, give me the Macaroni. I say, Macaroni, your love. I said to God, you don't need no other body. See, only me go touch your body. He said, Kennyblaq, if that is the case, I say what you say, Kennyblaq. God, yeah. come a little closer. As you came closer, Kaya matter fall for hand. Kaya matter for Kennyblaq. I've been looking at you all day. You making me, you making me. You just want to, you just want to. Guys, thank God say my God did it. Oluwa na him comforting me. When this girl won't come back to me, thank God I went on my knees. I say Oluwa, I say Oniduro mi ẹ ṣé o. Oniduro mi ẹ ṣé. Single ladies, now I am looking for someone to satisfy me, looking for someone to love me completely, looking for someone to show me. If you have it for make some noise, DJ bring it down. How far now? That's all.
Yes, sir. We're still live here at the Laughter on Lockdown Season 2, and with me here is my pretty damsel Nollywood diva. What's going on?
I'm good. I'm good. It's a pleasure.
Good to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love this thing you have here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so Mama, tell me what's up. Is Nigeria what's celebrating today?
Well, there are a lot of things. There is life. So once there is life, there is hope. Yeah, there are a lot of depressing news, but then there is life. So we have to celebrate. We are living.
Oh yes, it's been a wonderful night tonight, and I must say, yes, a wonderful night tonight, guys, because I really had fun. Should we talk about the live performance by Emmaohmygod or SLK or Kennyblaq? I mean, these guys are really talented, and they actually cracked us up. And also, I carried my body. It's been a long time I actually danced tonight, and Emmaohmygod came out with his band to give us Alujo, and all of other songs that we actually gave body tonight, guys. I hope you all had a great time right here with us on Plug TV. Do not forget that you should subscribe on our YouTube channel so you get all of the events happening right here in the city of Lagos. I will be signing out from here, but before then, guys, I want to say this. I know you all have lost your hope for Nigeria. I know the government have actually failed us, but please do not forget to put Nigeria in your prayer, because I still believe, I still have hope for this country. So guys, this is all we have for you tonight, and we all wish you happy Independence Day and happy new month. It's Plug TV with your girl, Anybody. See you some other time.